Last one. This is the second youngest one, is this. Beautiful, look at that. Just amazing. So after all these years of ringing these birds, it still absolutely blows my mind when I just look at them. Just hold them in my hand and just look at them. It's just, I find it quite hard to take in what I'm actually doing. It's just, it is literally just mind-blowing. And it's great to be feeling that after 35 years of conserving them, I'm still absolutely obsessed with them, you know. I'll continue to do this for as long as I can.